Well, we got an impactful heavy rainfall event going for the Central Plains and the Deep South. We also have an increasing threat for heavy rainfall and flooding for the Southeast, parts of Alabama, Mississippi, and into Tennessee today. And if you look here, this is a 24-hour future radar loop, the HRRR model, through 5 a.m. tomorrow. We show the potential for 5, 6, 7 inches of rainfall today into Mississippi and points to the west and to the north here. Huntsville, Columbus, Mississippi seems to be in the crosshairs as well as Corinth, Birmingham, Montgomery, and a lot of big cities here. So the flooding threat will shift to the east today as we go to the overnight hours. So look at the excessive rainfall outlook for the southeast. We can see why we have a flooding threat for today. You see this whole area here in the southeast is under the gun for flooding. You get a broader view of the flooding threat. We already talked about the flooding threat in the Central Plains and Deep South, and the flooding threat moves to the east, as I talked about. So anywhere in the 15% orange shading, I guess you would say, there's a 15% chance of excessive rainfall and flooding within 25 miles of a point. So what that means is there's 15% chance of rainfall exceeding flash flood guidance within 25 miles of a given location. In the green area, we got a 5% chance. So the cities that are impacted today are Birmingham, big cities, Montgomery, Meridian, Mississippi, Starkville, where I went to college, Tupelo, Corinth, parts of that's in Alabama, okay, and Memphis, Tennessee, Humboldt, Tennessee, Lewisburg, all the way over to Cleveland, and just touching the Atlanta area in the marginal risk, and down to New Orleans, and points southward and westward here. So now that we're covering the southeast, you can see how in our local area here, with the exception of northwest Georgia, we're not in a flooding risk today. So the heaviest rainfall is going to stay to our west today. Although we do have a chance for shower and thunderstorms here, not expecting flooding today in the Georgia, except for maybe northwest Georgia. So how is this going to impact your travel today? Well, to start off this morning, this is the HRRR model at 6:30 in the morning, and it allows us to depict future radar. So that's what we're showing here. Okay, so let's start off your day. You have not a lot going on in the southeast. Most of the rainfall's out west here. All right, so move through time with this 8, 9, 10 a.m. You're going to church maybe. You're going to see potentially some rainfall up here in the Alabama, Mississippi, Tennessee border, down towards Montgomery, some showers, okay? Now, we move through time with this, see how it feels in here, okay? Now we have more moisture streaming up in this way, hence the flooding concerns today. Maybe some showers into Georgia as we get in the afternoon, 3, 4 p.m. This isn't exactly how it's going to play out. There's just one model depiction, okay? But the experts from the Weather Prediction Center have agreed with that excessive rainfall outlook. So this makes sense given what we're seeing here. See it just training over the same areas or just heavy rainfall all in this area here. More spotty down the southern mode, hence not as much excessive rainfall and flooding concerns. Some showers maybe getting into South Georgia. South Carolina doesn't look to be getting much here. Tennessee got some heavy rainfall up here, and of course points to the west. We have it. So this is 7 p.m. today, and the showers just keep going here along a boundary it sets up, generally from Greenville, Starkville, Birmingham. Zooming in a little bit. This is just to the south of the 22 and 20 going to the east here. See how overnight you see the showers and storms filling in Georgia here. So some beneficial rain showers with heavier amounts up into northwest Georgia. The heaviest amounts still in Alabama, Mississippi, between Columbus and Birmingham. Those showers are projected to kind of wane with time into 5 a.m. But showers in parts of Tennessee and back into Mississippi now. So later this afternoon, starting in the morning through the afternoon hours, it's really going to fill in here. So let me run this through again. This is the full loop, so you can plan your day. So start off with, not a lot going on, fills in a lot as we get through the day, especially in the northern part of the states here and the parts of Tennessee. The threat for rainfall here is real. Heavy rainfall will continue today. So be mindful, turn around, don't drown. Heed local watches, warnings, and advisories. Do not drive in flooded roadways. So be safe out there. Have a great day. God bless you all.